everybody, welcome back to Paper Rich channel. So right now we're at the parking lot's pretty big. But some of it are for others. Now we're at the Walmart, and I can already tell it's way bigger. And look, they even have a pickup. So Walmart is way bigger than Sobeys. Let's go in. You can see the security in the entrance is not that much, but then look, there's a fire safety, which every store has. After we have a camera over there. From what the results I saw, it seems that Sobeys has 4 security cameras. There's one last security. It's these 2 boards here. If you didn't buy the thing in security at the front, as you can see, look, it's a bit bigger. Security is important for Walmart because a lot of people can steal. For example, come here. Someone tried to steal a bike, you can see, but then they saw the security camera. Then they're like, oh my god, we're gonna get caught, so let's stop. So then that's why security in Walmart is most important. So what I noticed from Walmart security is every lane, almost every lane, has a security camera. Not this one, like that one, for example. So this means that Walmart is more secure than Sobeys. So far, I see 11 people working right now. So what I saw by my eyes, I saw 34 workers. Well, my guess today is 37 employees, but compared to our estimate to 100, it's nowhere close. And compared to Sobeys, which is also nowhere close to Walmart. So I found Gatorade in Sobeys, and right now it's $21.99 for 24 Gatorade bottle. So I think I saw online was those Gatorade bottles for $24. I found XL bubble gum, which I can't eat because I have braces. It is for $3.79 for 2. So if you buy 2 of these, one is going to be $3.79, the other one's going to be $3.79. But then if you buy one of them is going to be $3.99. So let's see if Walmart can beat this price. Okay, so now we're going to go to Maynard's, which I can eat. So one is for $9.99, $10. But it's big, I guess. So maybe Walmart can potentially beat this one. So this Maynard's is 2 for $7, which beats Walmart, which beats Sobeys, I mean. Okay, let's go over there. Okay, let's go. Okay, so this is for 2 for $7. Which is again cheaper than Sobeys because each of them are $3.50 and Sobeys are $3.78. So Walmart is cheaper, and like it says on the website, it actually is cheaper. You would be saving $4, and if it was $20.98. I think the Sobeys space by walking each step and counting how many there are. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so from there to here is 80 steps. We're gonna measure the width of the space. It took 152 steps. The Sobeys is 80 steps, and the width of the Sobeys is 156. Of it was 12,480 square steps. Measured the length. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total, there are 157 steps of length. Width is 292. So 292 times 157 is 45,844 square steps, which is triple the size of Sobeys. So we bring one package back home, and because it's cheaper than Sobeys, we were about to get Sobeys, but we got Walmart. But on Walmart's website, it is $24. But then when we go in store, it is $18. Why? We did so many comparisons and reality check, and this is the end of the series. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye.